Hello, my little scientists.
And hello, grade 3 science students. Today we are going to do the jam jar experiment, and that's going to help us see what is in soil. We know that in soil there is sand, silt, clay, and organic material. But different soils have different amounts of sand, silt, clay, and organic material. Everyone is working with different soil today, and you'll find out how much is in your soil. So I'm going to give it back to the scientist, and she's going to show you how to do this experiment. So first she's going to lay out some newspaper on the table to collect any mess that is made. So you just lay it flat on the table. That's a good workspace. That's all you need there. You'll need some soil that the teacher... You'll need some soil that the teacher gives you, a jam jar, and some water. So the first thing you're going to do is fill the jar with soil. Almost halfway, but not quite. Maybe a little bit more. What's in your soil?
A rock.
Yeah, sometimes you will find rocks in your soil. Now you're going to fill the jar with water to almost the top. That's good. Put the lid on very, very tight. And maybe a buddy should check that your lid is on tight. Yep, that's tight. Now you're going to shake it for 2 to 5 minutes. Shake. And then when your hands get tired, take a rest and then shake it some more. After Miss Abby, the scientist, is done shaking, she's going to leave the jar flat on a table. And in about 20 minutes, you'll see the different layers. So 20 minutes have passed, and this scientist has been very busy. And now she's going to take a closer look at the different layers in her jar. So, Abby, scientist, what do you see on the very bottom of your jar?
Little pebbles.
Little, like, big pieces. They're bigger than the rest in here. Yeah. So those are like, some of them could be pebbles, rocks, and sand or pieces of sand.
The next I see dirt.
Yeah, and that's going to be a combination of silt and clay. And what do you see at the very, very top? What do you see at the
Water.
Water. And what color is that water?
Brown, because it's the dead plant. And see those little things floating on top? That's the plant that hasn't really died yet.
Yes, that's organic material floating on top of the water here. And the water's discolored because it's been mixed up with the organic material in the soil. So, Abby, scientist,
yes,
you can take your jam jar and compare your layers of soil to someone else in your class. Until next time.